Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your Airtel account must be active and KYC complete because roaming won't activate otherwise. Once done, check your phone is unlocked and note the IMEI. This helps support. Next, choose a roaming pack that matches your travel dates and data needs. Pick prepaid or postpaid accordingly. Make the payment via the Airtel app or UST. This initiates provisioning. You're already moving, don't wait to activate before you land. You then activate roaming through the recommended channels. The My Airtel app is fastest. Tap international roaming, choose your destination country, select a pack, and complete payment to provision the service. If you can't access the app, use Airtel UST codes or call customer care to request provisioning. On your phone, enable data roaming and set network to automatic so it can latch onto partner carriers. Then restart the phone. This sequence registers your SIM on foreign networks and starts the pack. Once you land, you should see a partner carrier name and signal. If not, select a preferred operator manually in network settings. This often resolves registration delays. Make sure to monitor usage and set limits because roaming rates are high. Use Wi-Fi whenever possible. If service still fails, remove and reinsert the SIM, toggle airplane mode for 30 seconds, then restart. If problems persist, contact Airtel support with your IMEI.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.